how to log in to AT&T. So let's see this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's begin. First of all, you need to open up your browser in your PC. After that, in the search bar you have to search for AT&T login, and by searching for it you'll be able to see the search results within a second. So you have to go for AT&T option over here, and by clicking on that you'll be directly taken to the official web page of AT&T, and here you can see the various products of the AT&T. So for signing in you have to click on the drop down sign which is just right next to the my AT&T in the right upper corner. After that you have to go down below a little bit and click on sign in. For a few seconds of loading you'll be able to see the text box over here. So in this text box you have to enter your user ID. If you forget your user ID, then you can ask for help over here. If you don't have user ID, then you can create a new one. You can also pay without signing in through your banking or anything that is available in your country or area. After that you have to simply go for continue option over here and you'll be logged into your ID. So by following this simple step you can log in AT&T. So hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.